E03 error on your Breville Smart Oven? Fix it fast. E03 means the oven temperature went above its limit and triggered an overheat fault. You can safely clear it and prevent it from coming back with a few targeted checks. Step 1. Cool down reset. Turn the oven off, unplug it from the wall, and let it cool for at least 15 minutes. This lets internal components and sensors return to a normal temperature. Plug it back in and check if E03 is gone. Step 2. Restore airflow and placement. Give the oven space to breathe, at least 4 inches of clearance on both sides and 6 inches above. Keep the rear area and vent path open. Don't park it against a wall or under low cabinets that trap heat. Step 3. Remove foil and heat traps. Do not cover the crumb tray, racks, or any surface with aluminum foil. Foil reflects heat back at the elements and sensors and can trigger E03. Pull any liners or pans that block airflow. Step 4. Clean the vents and crumb tray. Grease and crumbs hold heat where sensors live. Slide out the crumb tray and wipe it with a damp sponge. Then clear debris from the vent slots. A soft, heat-resistant cleaning brush fits slots without scratching. I've linked one in the description. Step 5. Light test. Run bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes with the door closed and no foil or overcrowded accessories. Watch that the error doesn't return immediately. If E03 comes back right away after these checks, the overheat fault is internal and needs service. Use the Breville product hub link in the description before your next cook. If this helped you clear E03, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a heat-resistant cleaning brush, I've linked the one I use below. It gets into vent slots and corners safely so heat can escape the way it should. Thanks for watching, and keep the heat where it belongs.